Have you faced the issue where the lock screen goes black when you try to charge your iPhone after the iOS 17 update? Don't worry, in today's video, we will show you an advanced guide. By following this, your iPhone's black screen problem will be fixed. So, let's get started. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap on Accessibility. After that, tap on Touch and ensure that you toggled off the Tap to Wake feature and try our next solution. Solution 2. Disable the dim flashlight on the lock screen. Go to Settings, scroll down, and tap on Accessibility. After that, tap on Motion. Then toggle off the dim flashlight on lock screen feature. Solution 3. Enable optimized battery charging. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap on Battery. After that, tap Battery Health and Charging. Then toggle on the optimized battery charging feature and check whether your issue is solved or not. If you still have the issue, then try our last solution. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset, then tap on Reset. Select Reset all settings, and your settings will be reset. After that, enter your passcode and reset your network settings. Make sure by resetting all settings, your phone settings will be reset. So you should remember your password as well. So after that, hopefully, the lock screen goes black when you try to charge. The problem will be solved. But if you still have any issues, then please ask me in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.